Today I'm going to be doing the latest trend, which is the Milky Ombre, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do that. First of all, I've started off with my tips, buffed over them and put base coat on. And secondly, I'm going to now choose my colours. So I'm going to choose this colour, which is Fresh Start, and I'm going to be using French White. So on the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to do the bottom half French White. And this is just two different looks. I'm going to spin it round. I'm going to do the top half Fresh Start. And then on this one, I'm just going to do the whole nail Fresh Start. What I'm going to do is get my ombre brush, and I'm just going to ombre these two colours together before popping them in the light. So you don't need to be careful with an ombre. Some of the best ombres come out better when you're just a little bit carefree. So I'm just dragging my brush over the white and over the green, letting my bristles really do the work. Very light movements. Once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to put them in the lamp. It doesn't need to be perfect ombre because, as you're going to see, we're going to cover it. I'm going to put these both in the lamp for 30 seconds. What I have on here is 4 drops of base coat and 1 drop of white, and I've mixed it to create this nice milky effect. Okay, make sure to keep it out of the way of your lamp. Okay, so I'm just going to create a second coat again on this. So I'm going to get my Fresh Start, put Fresh Start on, and then on this one, Fresh Start, and Bright White. So you can see that I've left a gap this time between them. I'm going to get my ombre brush again. Make sure you give your brush a clean. When cleaning brushes, make sure you wipe like this. Do not scrubble like that, you'll ruin the bristles. So nice wipes like that. Okay, so I'm just going to get my ombre brush and I'm just going to ombre again, these two together. So I'm going to bring the green down, and then I'm going to bring the white up. I'm going to bring the white up and the green down. So we are meeting in the middle. So bring the white up. And bring the green down. Okay, I'm just going to let that settle and pop that in the lamp with my 2 coats of Fresh Start and set them for 30 seconds. I'm going to get my mixed palette and a little brush that I've been using. Just going to give my brush a clean. So again, mild white, clean white. Okay, right. So I'm going to get these colours out. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick up some colour and I'm going to paint all over, so nice coat all over. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick up a load my brush, and I'm going to place it in the centre. And I'm just going to let this fade out. I'm just going to let this fade out, just drag it down. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it upside down and I'm just going to get that colour to pull to the centre. Okay, and I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Right, okay, on this one again, we're going to paint over the complete nail. And then again, I'm going to pick up a good amount, place it in the centre. So I'm gently letting it come off my brush. And again, I'm going to let this settle. Okay, I'm going to tip it upside down again. And then I'm going to pop it in the lamp. 30 seconds for both of those. Right, so once they've came out, so you've got this look and this look. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to redo this. I'm going to pick up, I'm going to paint over, and I'm going to pick up again. And I'm going to reapply. Okay. I'm just going to tip it upside down again. And I'm just going to pop that in the lamp. And again, the same for this one. Just going to wipe over, pick up, place. And then we're going to pop in the lamp. Okay, now both have been out. I'm going to top coat. Okay, I'm going to pop them both upside down so that I can get a nice even finish. And then I'm going to spin and pop them both in the lamp for the final 30 seconds. Right. So I'm just gonna bring out my two Milky Way nails. So you've got the original ombre with the Milky Way in the center, ombre out, and you have an ombre coming down like that. Both very fashionable at the moment, very easy to do, and it looks great. There's two different ways for you to create the new trend of 2021, the Milky Ombre. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon. Don't forget we have lives on a Wednesday night, and if you need any advice, my name is Tina Bell and my email is nailtechsupport@purenails.co. I'm the head of education and also technical support and new product management. So if there's any issues, please give me an email. I'm always happy to hear from you, and until the next YouTube video, I'll see you then. Bye.